Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make your sunglasses look better than ever before. And these will be easy steps, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. There are 5 specific things that I'm going to be going over, and hopefully you can use these steps to make your sunglasses look better on you than ever before. I'm going to try and keep this short, sweet, and straight to the point, so let's get right into this specific video. Starting off with number one. Number one is get a frame shape that suits your face. You're going to want to choose a frame shape that suits your face. You have a specific face shape and face style, and you want to choose a frame shape that suits that, right? And you can go do your own research and figure out which frame shapes suit which face shapes, but you want to choose a frame shape that goes in line with your face, that matches your face shape well, that matches just your face in general well. So yeah, choose the right frame shape. It will make a huge difference. I can pull off certain kinds of frame shapes in terms of glasses and sunglasses, and other ones I just can't pull them off because it just doesn't look good with my face shape, and the fact that I'm bald and blah blah blah. So use your judgment, but choose the right frame shape. That's number one. Moving on to number two. Number two is choose a good lens color. Now, most of the time, people are going to choose a lens color that's basically like this. The vast majority of sunglasses that I see have a darker lens color, and if you're wearing sunglasses, on a regular everyday basis, and you want sort of universal sunglasses that can be worn in many different situations, you might want to go with this type of lens color. But if you want to choose something funky, if you want to choose something that stands out, there are other lens colors that you can choose as well. So you got to choose the right lens color to suit your needs and the situation or situations that you will be wearing the sunglasses in. Simple as that. And by choosing the right lens color, they're going to look great. Moving on to the next one, which is number three. Number three is get them to rest in place nicely. When they are resting on your face, you don't want them to be on an angle. You don't want them to be too far down. You don't want them to be too far, back and up, touching your face, sitting too closely to your face. You want them to sit nicely in place. So figure out how you can get them to sit nicely in place and get them to sit in that position. There are, adjustments that can be made to the sunglasses. There are different ways that you can sort of put them on, and so on and so forth. Different things that you can do to the sunglasses to prevent them from slipping down if they slip down on your nose, and so on and so forth. But get them to sit in place nicely. It's simple as that. Next up is number four. Number four is choose an outfit that matches the sunglasses. Now you got to choose your outfit and the sunglasses in the sense that they're going to match. You don't want your sunglasses to be super formal and then your outfit to be super informal, or vice versa. You don't want your outfit to be really formal and then you have super informal sunglasses. So choose an outfit that matches the sunglasses, and by matching up your outfit and your sunglasses together in terms of like their level of formality and a couple of different other factors that you can imagine, will match sunglasses and an outfit together. By matching those things together, your sunglasses will look better. Your outfit can allow your sunglasses to look better. Simple as that. Last on this list is number 5, and number 5 is worry about choosing the best sunglasses for you rather than the best sunglasses, period. Okay? So by that I mean you want to choose the best sunglasses for you. Don't worry about, these sunglasses are popular, these ones are in style, these are by this designer, these ones are more expensive, less expensive, this and that. Don't worry so much about that. Okay? Worry about choosing the best sunglasses for you. Choose sunglasses that meet your needs, that will look good on you, that suit you in terms of how you look and in terms of your personality and in terms of how you dress and so on and so forth. By choosing the right sunglasses for you, you're going to have a higher chance that they're going to look good. Okay? You might choose the best sunglasses, whether they're the most expensive or the most popular or blah, 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 but maybe they don't suit you, and they're probably not going to look as good on you because they don't suit you. But by choosing the best sunglasses for you, rather than the best sunglasses in general, you're going to choose sunglasses that work well with you, and therefore, hopefully, they will look better on you and when you're wearing them. Okay? And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.